What's up guys, back with another exhaust video, and this time for the C5 Corvette. In this video we're going to show you some cool clips and audio clips of the exhaust while it's stock.
Yep, we're going to be installing an exhaust soon, so stay tuned for that, but right now we're going to show you a comprehensive video on how the stock exhaust sounds.
Yep, so let's get to it. So now we're going to show you a couple clips of the Revs, and this is going to be with this mic on the DSLR.
Yeah, it's a Rode something or another.
Yeah, one of the Rode mic. It's the bigger Rode mic than the smaller
We'll
one.
leave it in the description. I can't remember right now, but it's the big one that connects. Yeah. It's a shotgun mic, basically.
But you might see we have a mic there, the Shure SM57. Yeah. We're going to have a separate video for that, and it's going to be a mic'd up version of the stock versus Corsa exhaust.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. But yeah, let's hop in the whip. All right, so now we're going to do a Revs 2, 4, and then 6, and then he's going to rev it out for us. So here we go. All right, so now that you heard the Revs with the Rode mic right here, right here, we're gonna go to Mexico real quick, show you some flybys.
Yep,
so
I'm gonna be driving by real quick.
Yeah, so here we go. Oh yeah, I also think they might want some interior shots, so before the outside flybys, we'll get some interior shots.
Okay.
All right, so here's an interior sound view of a C5 acceleration.
This is stock.
And now we're about to get some flybys for you. So about to teleport outside. All right, here we go. A couple flybys for the cuz. Sight. Alright guys, that wraps up this video of the stock exhaust on a C5. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed those sounds.
Yep. And we will be installing the aftermarket exhaust right here and showing you what the difference is in real time. Not really though.
Not really at all.
Yeah, this isn't live.
Yeah, this is the end of this video, but we'll have a video of the install, then another one of the actual axle back.
Yeah, it'd only be in real time if someone's like hiding around here somewhere.
Yeah, I was about to say, are we live streamers? Well,
yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.